Hello traders, today is the 15th of March 2023. What a blessing day, guys. We had another beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. Let me share with you how I analyze in 4 hour and explain my trader the sentiment. If you look at here, this previously price action, price broken, but if you look at here, price failed to maintain, stay below this previous low. Price broken and retest give us the good confirmation for long. So we're expecting here breakout trade at this level. As if you look at here, we have another price action. So we're looking this breakout. So that's what we did analysis in intraday. First target around this level, which price nicely hit. As explained, my traders time to enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. That's the most important part of it. Okay, let me show you here. You can see here just before London Open, as explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, based on this current analysis, price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation. That's give us the high probability of long trade here. That's what I explained my trader. Enjoy the long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the first target, as mentioned in the 4 hour, that's what I explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. As you can see here, price heading towards the final target. So if you want to watch those analysis in real time instead of review, so most welcome, join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.